Hey guys, this is Prashant from Tech Answered and let's get started. So in the last short tutorial, I explained some basic commands such as ls, then some other commands such as touch command, then mkdir command. Okay, so today we will discuss these commands as well as we will discuss some additional commands. Okay, so let's first try to understand pwd command because it is very important. It is present working directory and it will always tell me where I am working. Okay, so right now I'm working inside this location, so whatever action I take should appear here. So this was explained in my previous tutorial also, and it is important, so I thought I should discuss it again. Okay, and the next command that I will teach, okay, it is called as ls command. Okay, so ls command will basically list all the files, folders, directories that are present inside this folder. Okay, so say for example, my current working directory is desktop and the list command listed everything. Okay, so say I do not want to see in this structure, I want to see in long listing format. Okay, so long listing format, we will use ls-l command, and this long listing format will basically show you the file permissions, the owner of the file, group of the file, okay, file size in bytes, last modified, and it will also show you the files or folders which are present at this level. Okay, so in order to find out, okay, if there are some hidden files, so we will use ls-la. Okay, so it will tell you if some file is hidden. For example, how to create a hidden file in Linux. So say for example, I created a file called as dot file. So any file that you start with a dot goes as a hidden file. So right now, if I just do a simple ls-l, that will not appear here, okay, because this file is hidden, and that is the reason you cannot see any file created here. Okay, let's say ls-la. Okay, so once I did it, you can see the file is very much present here. Okay, and once I remove this file from this naming convention to a plain naming convention, then you will be able to see this thing easily. So for example, let's say I just moved it to this one. Okay, so now you see the file appeared here. Okay, so that means as long as it was having a name with dot, it will be hidden. Okay, once it is removed, it will simply change it to normal format. Okay, so you learned ls-l for long listing of files and ls-la for showing long listing as well as hidden files. So there is one more command called as ls-lrt. Okay, so here L stands for long listing, R stands for reverse sorting, okay, and T stands for timestamp. Okay, so the file or folder which was created recently will appear in the end. Okay, so now I can say that, okay, this file has been created on today's date. Okay, means this file is the latest file. Okay, similarly this command can be used to identify many things. For example, right now say I want to list the content of a folder called as new folder. Okay, so there are two approach. I can directly go inside this folder and then I can run ls-lrt, or the second approach is that from this screen only I can just do ls-lrt and then I can copy this folder and I can paste this here. Okay, so once I did it, you can easily see that we have two files here, file 1 and file 2. So this command can be used directly also, means from any location you can run this command and you can specify the full relative path of the folder or file whatever you want to see, and you can easily see that file. Okay, now one more thing. Okay, so say I have say 50 or 100 files. Okay, and now my requirement is to find a file with the name say new. Okay, so let me create some files here. Okay, so new one. Okay, or say new old and create delete. Okay, so I am creating four files with the name new old create delete. Okay, so four files got created. As you can see on the screen, this four files got created. So now likewise there are 100 plus files in this location and I want to know whether a new file exists or not. So what I will do is that I will simply give ls-l and I will give new. Okay, so if this file is present at this location, it will give us this file here. Okay, this will help you in shortlisting among say multiple files, so you can easily find out what file you are looking for. Okay, so another command, we can use this command in a similar fashion, but we can use grep command. Okay, so what is grep command I will explain later, but we can see inside, we can using this command we can check whether a folder is present or not. So say for example, right now I'm in desktop location as you can see here. Okay, and I want to check whether folder 1 folder is available or not. So if I just give folder 1, see what happens. Okay, so it will be very easy to identify files using this command what I told. Okay, and using folder using this kind of command, using grep command. Okay, what happens if you directly run this command for files on folder? Okay, so it will try to show all the content of that particular folder. So that is the reason we always use pipe space grep. Okay, this grep command I will explain later, but let us consider this command. Okay, so I hope your ls command is clear. So if you guys have any doubt in ls command, please comment in the video and I will try to give answer as much as possible. So the next command that I want to teach you is called as cd command. So let us first learn one more command called as clear command. It will basically remove everything on the screen for the moment. So right now it has cleared everything. Okay, so cd is used as change directory. So using this we can go to any directory. Okay, so let us find out if we have any directory here. So we have say folder 1, folder 2, and I want to go inside folder 2. So the command is cd folder 2. Okay, and I can again use ls-lrt to list all the items in long listing format, in reverse sorted format, and in timed format. Okay, so I can see these three files. So this is the use of cd command. Okay, and let us learn one more command called as touch command. So I already explained, but I just wanted to show you touch command one more time so that you guys be very much comfortable with the touch command. So let's see touch f. Okay, it is only used to create a file. Okay, it cannot be used to create anything else. It can be only used to create a file. So one more command I want to show you guys is called as cat command. Okay, so cat command basically if you just give cat file new. Okay, so what it will do is that it will try to create a file if not already. Okay, and you can add any content. So you can write this is a new file. Okay, and in order to save this thing you have to press Ctrl plus D. Okay, so once you press Ctrl plus D you can see that the file got created. Okay, and also using the same cat command. Okay, so remember this time we are not giving any arrow sign. Okay, just by using you can read the content of this file. Okay, so suppose this file is there already and you want to edit and put more content in this file. So what you will do, you will use two arrows. Okay, and then you will do file new. Okay, so then you can add this is the second line. Okay, so once you, and then again you have to press Ctrl D. Okay, two times. So when you do Ctrl D, then again the file got saved. Okay, and you can try to read what you have saved. Okay, so you see this is the second line, so it got added in the end. Okay, so whatever you will write here will get edited in the end. Okay, so in order to read something from a file we can also use cat command, we can also use less command. Okay, there is one more command called as more command. We can also use more command for this feature. Okay, so you can see here this more command is also showing me this thing only. Okay, so guys I also explained mkdir command. Okay, but I want to show you one more version of mkdir command which is called as mkdir-p. And let's say I want to create nested folder structure. So I want to create test2, test3. So instead of creating folders one by one, I can simply run this kind of command. Okay, and it will create all the folders inside. So if I want to go and see, it will show me that test2 was created inside test, and then test3 was created inside test2, and so on. Okay, so using this command you can do that. Okay, so the next command that I want to teach you is called as rm command. So rm command is a very powerful command in Linux. Be very careful because this command can delete some serious data, so you have to be careful. Okay, so let's say for example I have to delete some of the files which I created unnecessarily. Say file new I created unnecessarily. So in order to delete a file, rm command works fine. Okay, so you can easily delete a file. Now you can see the file is gone. Okay, but in order to delete a directory, so let us try rm test. Okay, what error it will throw? Okay, it cannot remove because it is a directory. So in order to delete a directory there is a command called as rmdir. Okay, but this command will only work if your directory is empty, means it does not have anything inside it. So right now if I'm running this command, it is showing me directory not empty. Okay, so in order to delete an empty directory you can use rmdir, but in order to delete a directory which contains some data, so you will use rm-r. Okay, so rm-r stands for remove and -r stands for recursive. So means anything inside this test directory will get deleted now. Okay, so you see now test directory itself got deleted. Okay, so there is one more command called as say let's create a file. So for file creation, we are touch file. Okay, so file got created, and you can see DM admin, who is the owner of this file, has permission, write permission. Okay, so let us remove write permission. So I will explain this command what I am writing later. So just see that, just try to understand that I am removing write permission from this file. Okay, so I will remove write permission from group also. So write permission is removed. Now you try to remove this file. Okay, so you see it will give you an option and you have to press yes, and then only it will be deleted. Okay, you have to press Y. So now if you press no, it will not delete this thing. Okay, so in order to handle this situation, so what will happen is that if you have a folder which contains thousands of files which are write protected, and in order to do a deletion of that, you cannot press Y all the time, thousands of times. Okay, so the best way is to run rm-rf. So rm-r, I already explained, that is remove in recursive order. F stands for forceful, so it will delete even if the file is write protected file. Okay, so let us run this command. So see, the file is got deleted. Okay, so guys, these are the topics which I wanted to discuss today with you. If you have any questions on any of the topic I explained right now, you please comment on it and I will try to answer you as much as possible. Thank you guys, stay safe, have a nice day.